Hi, so today I want to make SEELE Scythe from the game HONKAI Star Rail. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my social media for more content and giveaway. So yeah, without further ado, let's go to the tutorial. First, you have to print all the templates in A4 size. For the templates, you can check it down in the description. Now you can cut all the patterns into pieces like this. Now take this part, and as you can see, there are letter guides like A to A, B to B, just like this. Now we can connect them together using tape like this. Now you can cut the detailed parts like this. After that, we can copy all the patterns to EVA form like this. For the sizes, materials, and all explanations are included in the templates. Next, you can take pen cutter to cut the EVA form. As you can see here, there are arrows pointing inside like this. That means you have to cut the EVA form at 45-degree angle. Always sharpen your knife to get a better result. Now we can start cutting the EVA form in an angle like this until it looks like this. This is gonna be the top and this is gonna be the bottom. Now we're going to put the patterns back on top of the form. Now take this needle, then you can start pricking all the points like this until it looks like this. Now we can connect all the points using pencil until it looks like this. So here's what you get after cutting the patterns. Now take this part, then put some glue to both sides like this. Then put them together like this. Don't forget to cut the middle part until it looks like this. Now you can take steel wire, then you can put in the middle like this. You can put some glue until it comes out like this. Now you can glue this part, following with this part like this, until it looks like this. Don't forget to make the other part like this. Then you can glue this part in here, so they will be connected like this. For the handle, I use PVC pipe. Then just put it in the middle like this. Close it with this part, and it comes out like this. Now we can glue this detail on the side of the handle like this. Now for this part, we're going to put it in here, but first, we're going to make the pipe, bend it like this. Now take your heat gun and hitting the pipe carefully. Then bending the pipe into something like this. As you can see, now we can glue this part like this until it looks like this. Don't forget to glue the trigger as well. For this detail, you can put it on top like this. But first, you have to make circle form like this, then put it inside the pipe. Now we can glue this detail to the top like this. Now we're gonna make the handle removable by cutting the pipes like this. Then blow it with heat gun. Then immediately push the bottom pipes with the other pipes like this until it looks like this. Now we're gonna make the bottom parts. But first we have to make 3 circle forms, then we're gonna make it like this. Then we can put it inside the pipes like this until it looks like this. Now we're going to move to the detail line that we made before. We can just score it with pen cutter like this. After that, you can hit it with heat gun to open up all those lines until it looks like this. Now we can paint all the surface with black spray paint until it looks like this. Remember, don't paint this part. Now paint this part with silver, just like this. This part with purple, like this. Then this part with dark purple, and lastly this part with dark blue. And that's how I made SEELE Scythe from the game HONKAI Star Rail. For the templates, just click link in the description. Follow me on social media for more content and giveaway. And one more thing, if you want to buy the ready-made from me, you can request any weapon you want. Just DM me on Instagram. And yeah, that's it. Bye.